I heard about editing the payslip. That malpractice, that wrong direction many people did. And past few years, many people are asking me, I edited my payslip, something like that. But nowadays, people are starting to edit their PF statement. I'm not talking about editing the service history. They are trying to edit PF statement, PF credited history. And the reason is they are absconding from previous organization to join in new or big MNCs. They are downloading the PF statement, especially previous organization PF statement, and copy and paste it in Excel, and they are editing and sending to background verification vendors. Remember, you need to understand background verification. What is the meaning of background verification? They will get documents from your side and they will verify your documents with standard source. Okay, what is the result showing from source? That is the final confirmation. Okay, hope you understand the logic. Don't do anything wrong direction, and please always think about in your common sense and do the things. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.